Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 6 subjects maths. Our today's new topic chapter number 11 algebra. Introduction. Students, you know the branch of studies of number in maths termed as arithmetic. Correct? To study figures and study about two dimensions, that is length and breadth, three dimensions, length, breadth and height, and their properties. So, the branch of mathematics in which we study the shape termed as geometry. Now we begin the study of another branch of mathematics. It is termed as algebra. In this topic, we are going to study the use of letters which allows to write rules and formula in general way. Here we define letter as unknown quantity or quantities, and then we make new terms which define as algebraic expression and their properties. So let's study with example of matchstick pattern. Student, here you can see which alphabets that we are going to making the pattern. L, capital L. So here this is a question that here I am using how many matchsticks 1 and 2. In B part 1, 2, 3 and 4. In C part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the question. Now this is the solutions. Number of L is formed. When number of L is formed in a figure, first 1 L is there, then how many number of matchstick required? So when you draw in a case, when you arrange these matchsticks, it requires total how many? 2. Now when 2L is there, it requires how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We write when number of L is 2, we require 4 matchsticks. When 3L is there, 1L, 2L and 3L, it requires how many total number of matchsticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here I write 3 and 6. And 4 is there, then it requires 8. And up to so on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So let the number of capital L is represented by small n. Okay? And we have to find out total number of matchstick requires. Here I have written 2n. So how this 2n will come? So first of all, for n is equal to 1 means when number of L is 1, then total number of matchstick 2 into 1 means 2. 2 ones are 2. When n is equal to 2, right? 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. When n is equal to 3, so total number of matchstick is equal to 2 into 3. So when n is equal to n, then 2 तो fix ही रहेगा, right? 2 into n means 2n. That's why here 2n will come. And now you observe this pattern. ये pattern बन गया है, देखो 1 है तो 2 है ना, 1L है तो 2 matchsticks, अगर 2 है तो 2 into 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, right? That's why I am writing here 2 into n. तो वो 2 का मल्टीपल बन जाएगा, right? And this 2 into n, so n is a variable, that is alphabet. So the combination of number and alphabet, right? So the combination of number 2 multiply with the variable makes a, this 2n is, it is makes, we prepare as a term 2n, and this term it is known as algebraic expression. Correct? So students, similarly we can try for another alphabet and try to understand the concept of algebraic expression. Dear student, here you think here the alphabet C. So first of all we write number of C's formed and then number of mastic required. Prepare the table. देखो C के फॉर्म करने में पहले कितनी मैस्टिक जाती है? 3. दूसरे में अगर if there are 2 C is there, then it requires 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 mastics is there. Then 3 is there, then it requires, काउंट करो आप, राइट, मैस्टिक्स. तो सी में काउंट करो, यू विल गेट 9 मैस्टिक्स. 4 करोगे तो 12. तो आप देखो नंबर ऑफ मैस्टिक्स रिक्वायर्ड, जब 1 सी रहेगा देन 3 इज देयर, 2 सी है तो 6 मैस्टिक्स. तो ये क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज द टेबल ऑफ 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9. बराबर. पहले वाले में क्या था? वो जो एल बनाया उसमें 2 4 6 8, यहाँ 3 6 9. सो हियर इट इज द टेबल ऑफ, तो वहां जनरल फॉर्मूला क्या आया था? 2n. So here what will come? General formula 3 into n. So here number of mastic required, general formula 3 into m. When n is equal to 1, so 3 into 1 3. N is equal to 2, 3 2s are 6, right? So here that girl has used to letter n for the number of C. N is a variable. We taking the values n equal to 1 2 3 4, we will get that table, right? So here 3n will be there. So students, take mastics and try to find out how many total number of mastics required. Prepare the table and prepare the general formula for F letter. Okay, so take mastics. So students, take mastics and prepare table and observe and prepare algebraic expression. C F U V triangle square T Z E S and R. Okay, so our today's session till here. Next time we will make the pattern of this U V F. Till then you please try from home. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Goodbye.